for nothing, the best part's coming up. Now watch what I do.
All right, 9. Now I've got 2 of your forts. Ready to give up yet?
Why should I? I'm still ahead by 30,000 points.
You know, Nutmeg, sometimes you're a real bummer.
Oh, I'm just worried about Heathcliff and Spike.
Yeah, it is awfully quiet back there. Don't worry, Nutmeg. If Heathcliff gets out of line, Spike can handle it.
Will you get over here?
I'll get him. I'll get him.
That's the second fly you've let get near me today.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me.
Yeah, all right, but don't let it happen again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He apologizes so well.
It's gonna be great seeing Cousin Spike again. That loudmouth mutt is giving me a headache. I think the puppy needs a bath. I hope somebody around here is tougher than that mutt. I like a little competition.
How many times have I told you harder? I like it harder.
Right. I forgot.
How about the shoulders? Can't you feel all the tension in them?
How's that?
Better, but work on it at home.
I thought I heard Cousin Spike's voice.
A little to the left. Oh, cut it out, Spike. Nobody likes a crybaby. Yeah, I'm seeing double. I guess I must have been in the sun too long.
What's his problem?
I guess he's hungry. I better feed him.
Okay, you gotta learn to defend yourself. Put up your paws and try to hit me.
Here it comes. Get ready. I don't want to hurt you.
Oh, some things I can't stand watching. I knew I should have bet on a first-round knockout.
Are you all right?
Fine. But you better get the phone.
Yeah, don't worry. The ringing should stop in a month or two.
I'm telling you, there's nothing to be afraid of. When he comes around the corner, you grab him and pow!
Oh, well, it's a quiet day. I might as well play along.
Here we go. Get ready.
No!
I think Spike might win this one. Wonder how long it'll take Spike to find out he's fighting Bull. I guess that answers my question.
I feel really stupid.
Don't worry. This idea is guaranteed to work. All you gotta do is leave your tail sticking out of the hole. What cat could resist a big fat mouse?
Can't we just forget it?
Never mind.
Oh my gosh, a big fat mouse. Oh boy, this is my lucky day.
I told you this would work.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Man, that's one strong cat!
Boy, was that close. Guaranteed to work, huh?
Timber.
Camouflage. It works every time. When he comes by, we pull him in, then pow! We got him right where we want him.
Don't you think...
People have to learn to be neater with their trash.
Camouflage. It works every time.
It pays to live a good life. I'll see you boys at the bottom. We have liftoff.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
You know what you gotta do? You gotta challenge that cat to a fight in front of the whole neighborhood.
Forget it.
What?
That's it. I quit. If you want to fight him, fine. But count me out.
Fine. Then I'll defend the honor of dogs everywhere, even if my cousin is too kicking. I challenge Heathcliff to a fight in the vacant lot on Elm Street. If he has any guts, he'll be there at 4 this afternoon.
I'll be there. You don't have to yell.
Are you ready?
Why, I'd love to.
Come on, fight! Put me down!
If you insist.
What? Oh. Hey, get off of me!
No problem.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I better end this before he really hurts me.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Take that!
Yeah, he is definitely Spike's cousin.
Is there anything I can get you?
Yeah, where's that kid with the lemonade?
I'm coming, sir. A nice cold lemonade. Whoops! Oh.
It's so hard to get good help nowadays. Good help. Just wait till you see what I do next. This is the part I've been waiting for.
Do 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 dee 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 do do da do da scoodly beep beep beddly doodly doo scoodly bap bap doodly doo.
Not even riffraff could get into that place.
You're right as the night, dude.
I agree. I think.
Oh, hi,
hi,
riffraff.
Ah, for me?
Once upon a time, that was mine.
Now, boys, what exactly do you think I can't do?
Well, not even you can get into the bird sanctuary. No one's that tough.
Let me put it this way. I'll get into that bird place, and you three will help me. Get it?
Oh.
Gee, Riffraff, I feel really silly dressed like this.
It's not how you feel, it's how you look that's important.
Yeah, well, how do I look?
Really silly.
Here's the bird sanctuary, Riffraff.
Good. Wheel me in.
No one would ever guess what these two are up to.
That was the ugliest grandma I've ever seen. And that baby. Hey, wait a minute!
Uh-oh, I think he spotted us.
Get a move on.
Come back here!
Turn left. Turn left.
Yeah, this dress is slowing me down. Which way is left? Hey, what happened? Where is everybody?
That crummy bird. Why, I oughta... Yipes! That way, Mungo. That way.
Which way is that way?
You look pitiful.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Cats aren't allowed in here. Don't come back.
Who turned out the lights? Did somebody get the license number?
He has to ask?
Hold still.
Aha.
You look like something the cat brought home. Hey, what the?
I need one of you guys for a special mission.
Sure, no problem. Wadsworth!
Woo, woo, woo!
Shh. Now get started. Dig.
Ah. Oh, I've got just the thing for these undercover kitties. Well, they're certainly going to see a light at the end of this tunnel.
I may be amiss, but do you hear a hiss?
It's nothing. Quit goofing off, you rhyming reject. We're probably under the wall now.
Oh, no, it's
It'll be a cold day in July before any cats fool me.
no birds about, so let's clear out.
Get out of my way. Meow. Now to check this place. Oh!
Well, what have we here?
Now, looks like a couple of minor birds to me.
Uh,
Meow.
Hey, get off of me!
Now, this should be fun. And I've got a ringside seat.
Hey, Woodsworth. Time for Plan C.
This used to be a quiet neighborhood.
All we gotta do is yank this rope, and we breeze through the open window. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
I'm such a naughty boy.
Too bad. Just a little to the left. Oops!
I better have my eyes checked. I've seen a catfish before, but never a catbird.
All right, it's working. Do 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 do. So long, Featherhead. Ah! I made it. I'm safe.
Mind running that by me again, Bob?
Chirp, chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Oh, no! Oof, ouch! Oh, ouch! Oh! Oh, oh! Huh? Who? What? Where? Hey, dinner! Uh-oh. Go.
Generally, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, but in your case, I'd say you got off lucky.
That bird's getting on my nerves. Aha! Oh, ooh, hey, nee!
You know, two can do it better than one.
Toucan, I'll get you!
This cat has a stilted sense of humor.
Uh-huh. Now that's a bird.
Oh, wanna go for a ride, huh? Okay.
Oof, off, ouch, enough, stop, let me off, oof.
You want off? Okay. So long, Buster.
Not again.
Now, you really like to get into your work, don't you? Oh, it's a dirty business.
Come back here, you big-mouth feather duster. Oh, everything hurts.
Now, what took you so long, you old stick in the mud?
Now you've had it. Now you're all mine.
Really? I didn't know you cared.
Boy, I'll bet you Riff Raff really clobbered that bird.
What?
After all this time, we find we have something in common.
We both like fish.
Don't go away. I may need your help. Back to Heathcliff and me, Riff Raff.
That
little boy just got a puppy. Don't ask me why anyone would want a puppy, but he should have asked how big it was going to get. Oh. Whenever you get a pet, besides asking what kind of shots it needs, you should always ask how big it'll get. If you match the pet to the space available for it, it'll make the pet happier, and it'll make you happier.